have a player that matches the description best. Okay. All right, let's start. Best dressed.
Best dress. I go with Ahmed Shahid or Mohammad Afridi. Mohammad Shahid, yeah.
Laziest.
Laziest. Soeb Maqsood.
Soeb Maqsood.
Soeb Maqsood.
Loudest.
Umar Akmal.
Umar Akmal.
Extra loudest.
Extra loudest. Chalo, brownie points. Late comer to training.
Oh, Soeb Maqsood I mentioned.
Again?
Yeah, because
2 points
he's a
up
lazy
for
guy.
Soeb
Yeah,
Maqsood.
yeah. He will be the winner.
Best singer and dancer. Or if the best singer is different and the dancer is different, then give me two
Best
names.
singer, I go with Muhammad Yusuf voice was very beautiful.
Muhammad Yusuf?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, Muhammad Yusuf voice was
Wow,
very... When
that's
he
a
was
surprise.
Yusuf Yohana.
When he was Yusuf Yohana.
Yeah.
Dancer?
Dancer, Umar Akmal.
Again. So
Again.
Umar and Soeb are leading.
Yeah,
huh?
yeah.
Hardest worker.
Yunus Khan.
Yunus Khan. Most talented. Natural skills.
Yeah, you can say Shahid Afridi.
Shahid Afridi? I'll give you a point there. Funniest.
Shoaib Malik.
Most handsome.
Most handsome.
Shall we go with Shahid Afridi? Don't be modest, yeah. Come on.
Really?
Shahid
Okay, it's
Afridi?
fine then.
Yeah?
Yeah. You got beautiful eyes then.
Me? Thank you so much. Leader of the team.
Waseem bhai.
Waseem bhai. Favorite food?
I love any type of food, but I go with still chicken biryani. Sindhi chicken biryani.
Sindhi chicken biryani. Okay. Favorite movie?
Gladiator.
If you could pick any actor who could play you in the Shahid Afridi movie. Actually, there has been a Shahid Afridi movie, right?
Yeah.
But if you could have a choice of which actor you wanted to play a sequel, who would you choose?
I want Amir Khan.
Amir Khan?
Yeah.
You'd be pleased to hear that. Waseem or Waqar? Just pick one.
Both, for
No,
me,
no.
both are Waseem.
Tendulkar or Lara?
Oh, God. Lara.
Sachin, you better be watching out. Warren or Murali?
Oh, God. I go with Wani.
Favorite sports person ever?
Muhammad Ali.
Of all sports?
All.
Muhammad Ali?
Yeah. Muhammad Ali,
Fantastic.
and I mentioned Jahangir Khan and Muhammad Ali both.
Chalo, theek hai. Proudest moment?
My first game for Pakistan.
Most embarrassing moment? Chalo, I'll keep it at that. Pakistan needs 75 or 5 overs. You're at the crease. At the other end, you can pick any batting partner that you choose. Who would it be?
With me, I go with... for
Double
Pakistan.
Shahid Afridi.
Yeah.
Huh? Two Shahid Afridi.
I go with Abdul Razak.
Abdul Razak,
Yeah.
great choice. What do you eat during a mid-innings break?
Mid-inning, you mean lunchtime, we go with pasta.
Pasta. Okay. Biggest fear?
No fear.
If you were not a cricketer and if you could be anything you wanted to be, what would you be?
I go with the army.
Army. Chalo. Coolest captain in world cricket?
Boring.
Best hairstyle in world cricket?
Shahid Afridi.
Favorite Indian cricketer?
Virat Kohli.
Favorite venue?
Sydney.
And favorite innings?
141 against India.
Okay, and last one, favorite wicket?
Brian Lara in Australia.
Thank you so much.